Miss Robinson, you posted this for a white woman to call me the spit on me and hit my car and try to run off like I wasn't going to defend myself is wild. And you all wonder why white people get smacked for less.
Yes.
What was the goal of this?
It's the simple fact of it's being very common in Buffalo, New York, of Caucasian people going around spitting, calling people the and attacking. And when we defend ourselves, we're the problem. That's why my first thing was to press charges.
Who's your witness?
This is my friend Diamond.
Diamond, could you please step up? Well, you heard the allegation that Miss Robinson made about what allegedly said to her, right?
Yes, and I don't believe that. Trish uses the word melanated instead of black. So out of these last 5 years, especially what I've gone through, I never even heard her use that word, ever.
All right, these are the injuries that you suffered that day?
Yes, those are what could be seen. When she grabbed me by my hair, she pulled me to the ground and my face hit the rocks.
Right.
And she just started continuously punching me in the back of my head. I tried to get her off me and I couldn't, so I kind of just blocked my face.
All right, so how is it defending yourself to get out of your car?
Because I was spit on.
So how does getting out of your car, throwing her to the ground and continuing to punch her in the face?
That's not, it wasn't, there wasn't no continuance. Once I got spit on, I did get out my car. We got into an altercation. That was that.
But tell me what the altercation was.
We was stumbling around, tagging each other. She hit me, I hit her.
But didn't you say you won the fight?
Yeah, but it's just like, I don't know. She needs to go to martial arts, protect it. I don't know.
Did you have any injuries from the fight?
Yes, my thumb.
So the thumb was injured in the course of the fight, not in the course of the car accident?
Well, no, it was, well, I didn't suffer no injuries from the fight, but from the car accident, yes, my thumb.
How could your thumb be dislocated from a car accident as opposed to punching
Because
someone?
I was driving, and when she hit me, I literally stopped, like, fast as hell on my wheel.
Isn't it much more likely that you dislocated your thumb hitting her than...
No, because nothing was hurting.
Do you have any proof of the damages to your car? Other than, we have photographs, but do you have any estimates about...
Yes, I have her car insurance estimate that they tried to say was the estimate. I also provided the actual estimate from the collision shop.
Where are those?
Exhibit G.
Why was work needed on your windshield?
I don't know.
Repairing the mask jams. Do you have anything other than this?
I don't know why it would say windshield. I went to an actual collision shop to get everything done.
Did you get anything from her insurance? Because you said her insurance provider.
Yes, her insurance. The only thing that did get fixed was the headlight. Other than that, nothing else could have got fixed because it cost way more.
So they paid you out $2,000?
And I just got the headlight fixed and a little electricity for the headlight.
Tail light.
Yeah, the tail light. I'm sorry.
The injury is resulting in loss of income. How do you prove that?
I'm a hairstylist. I haven't been ever to work since it happened. My hand's still messed up. I don't even have a nail on.
So you're sure your thumb didn't get hurt by balling up your fist and hitting her? It got hurt in a car accident. I'm done.
The parties are excused while we deliberate in this matter. Thank you both. We have deliberated, reviewed all of the evidence, and reached a verdict. That verdict is unanimous in part. So first, with respect to the plaintiff's claim, we all believe, Ms. Robinson, that you would be entitled to any amount of damages to your car that were not covered by the defendant's insurance. She caused the damages to your car, but you haven't proven anything. We know that you received $2,100, and we have no evidence at all that there were additional damages that the defendant's car insurance didn't cover. In addition, the injury resulting in the lost income. We don't have proof of lost income, but irrespective of that, what we believe beyond a preponderance of the evidence, right, which is more likely than not, is that the injury to your thumb happened in the physical altercation, not in a small rear end. Ms. Sweet, with respect to your counterclaim, we did not reach a unanimous verdict. Judge Mentzer would have granted your counterclaim and awarded you $1,000 as a result of the Facebook harassment. Judge Tualde and I believe that the harassment here went both ways. We believe that you called CPS on her. It's the only thing that makes sense. So the verdict is to dismiss the plaintiff's claim and the defendant's counterclaim, but we hope that this is the end of road rage for the two of you.